You didn't choose the couch tonight. Your brain did, 3 seconds before you even noticed. Somewhere behind your eyes, a single chemical just made a decision that decided your entire evening. Not willpower, not laziness, a prediction. And once you understand how that prediction works, you can hijack it and start craving the hard thing instead of running from it. This is the real reason your brain chooses Netflix over the gym and how to rewire it. Here's what nobody tells you about dopamine. It's not a pleasure chemical. It's a forecast. Your brain releases it before the reward, not after, betting on how good something is about to feel. That's why your phone works like a slot machine. Every scroll is a bet. Every notification is a maybe, and maybe is far more addictive than definitely, because your brain can't stop checking for the win. Now picture the gym. Your brain runs the same forecast, and this time it predicts sweat, discomfort, and a payoff that's hours or weeks away. Low forecast, no pull. This isn't weakness. It's math your brain is running without asking you. Every habit you own runs on the same 3-step circuit. Cue, routine, reward. You feel bored. Cue, you open Instagram. Routine, small hit of dopamine. Reward. Do that loop a few hundred times and your brain stops asking permission. It just runs. Here's the part that changes everything. Hard work can run through that exact same circuit. Same wiring, different fuel. Lay your gym clothes out the night before. Cue, you go. Routine, you feel proud and strong. Reward, it's the identical loop that built your scrolling habit, just pointed somewhere else. But there's a deeper layer. Neuroscience shows dopamine can fire during effort, not only after the win, once your brain has linked the struggle itself to something meaningful. That's why beginners dread running and why people who've run for years crave it. Same activity, rewired chemistry, and your brain is built for this kind of change. Roughly 86 billion neurons constantly rewriting their own connections based on what you repeat. It's the same process that reshapes a pianist's brain after years at the keys. Every time you choose 15 minutes of focus over your phone, you're not just building a skill. You're physically strengthening the pathway that makes hard work feel good and starving the one that makes scrolling feel necessary. You don't force yourself to enjoy discomfort. You train your brain to expect a reward from it. In small, repeatable doses. Start with progressive overload for your focus. Bodybuilders don't load the bar on day 1. If you can't focus for more than 5 minutes, don't demand 3 hours. Start with 20, then 25, then 40. Every small finish releases dopamine from completion. Proof to your brain that hard things end and ending feels good. Then shift your identity, not just your goals. I'm trying to read more is a negotiation you have with yourself every single day. I am a reader is a decision you already made. When a behavior becomes identity, you stop debating. You just act like the person you've decided to be, and your brain rewards identity-consistent action with a stronger response automatically over time. Finally, train delayed gratification like a muscle. The old marshmallow experiments found something simple. Kids who could wait for a bigger reward later tended to do better in life years down the line. Every time you pick the slower reward over the instant one, you strengthen the part of your brain responsible for long-term thinking and loosen your grip on instant hits. Let's make this real. 2 focused hours a day is over 700 hours a year, nearly 4 months of full-time skill building, hidden inside days most people hand over to their feed. 20 pages a day is roughly 24 books a year. Most adults finish 1 hour earlier each morning is over 360 hours a year, 15 extra days that everyone else is sleeping through. None of it demands more time. It demands a different loop. You don't need to overhaul your life tonight. You need to change 1 loop at a time. Going to the gym. Lay your clothes out the night before. Remove the decision. Keep the cue. Studying. Start at 15 minutes, not 3 hours. Let the win come easy, then grow it. Reading. Leave the book on your pillow. 1 page before the phone. Building something of your own. Protect 1 hour a day like it's a meeting you can't miss. Learning a skill. 10 minutes daily beats 2 hours once a week. Repetition rewires faster than intensity ever will. Waking up early. Move the alarm 15 minutes at a time, not all at once. Deep work. Put the phone in another room before you sit down, not after you get distracted. Same cue, new routine, different reward. Your brain isn't broken, and it isn't lazy. It's simply been trained by years of fast, cheap, easy dopamine to run from anything that doesn't pay off instantly. But the same brain that learned to crave a notification can learn to crave a finished set, a finished chapter, a finished page of code. This isn't about forcing yourself to suffer through effort for the rest of your life. It's about one small rep at a time, until the day you notice the hard thing doesn't feel hard anymore. It just feels like you.